So here, first thing I can do is to write the rates in fractions. So for example, Anu, because she completes this entire work in 15 days, her rate is 1/15 of the job per day. Same thing for the other two, would be 1/12 and then 1/20. Now, because the way they tell us that it's every other alternate days, we can't really set it up algebraically because it's not going to be a whole number. So that's why I think the easiest way to do this is to use the answer choices. You can start with any of these answer choices. I think I'm going to use 6 because that's kind of in between. That way I can decide if I want to decrease it or increase it. So if we do 6, and we just have to apply these conditions, Anu works only on alternate days. So if it's 6 days, then we'd be working for 3 days. So she would have completed 3 times 1/15 of a job, which is 1/5. Vinu works every day, so that would be 6 times 12, so that's half. And then for Manu would be alternate days starting from the second. So this would be second, 4th, and then 6th. So that would still be 3 days. So 3 times 1/20. So I just have to add and see how close do I get to 1. These two add up to 7/10 plus 3/20. This is really 14/20. So I get to 17/20. So you'll notice we're less than 1, because 1 means that we have completed the job. So that means I have to go higher up. So I'm going to test 7. So again, I just go back and I read this again because it's easy to kind of mix up what you've done earlier. Anu works only on alternate days starting from the first day. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So she would have worked 4 days. So 4 times 1/15. That's the fraction of the job she has done. Vinu works every day. So that would be 7 times 1/12. So 4/15 plus 7/12. And then finally, Manu is starting from the second day. So 2, 4, 6. So 3, because next would be 8th day. So 3 days, 1/20. So I have to see how close do I get to 1 here. So let's see, how do I want to add these two up? We can just do the standard way, 15 times 12. You can also use the calculator here. 105, so this is 153/180. Okay, it's divisible by 9. You could have used a least common denominator, but I'm just being lazy here. So 17/20 plus 3/20, and that indeed works out to 1. So the answer is C, 7.